Welcome to the monochrome world of northern Finland. It's about 60 kilometres south of the Arctic Circle, and it's rather chilly. It's taken about 2 hours to reach here from Helsinki, passing thousands of feet over the occasional town and some even more rare highways. But mostly just expanses of snow, forests, frozen lakes and more snow. A lot more snow. The last time I was in a landscape this white, I was on the Bonneville Salt Flats in Utah in midsummer, and I was almost melting. I've come to Kuusamo to receive some expert tuition in how to drive fast on surfaces that I would think twice about trying to walk across. But then with temperatures regularly around minus 20 degrees Celsius, I wouldn't want to do very much walking at all. This is the traditional way of getting around in the winter. The Finns regard the sledge as their canoe and prize the speed it can reach. But there's another, more modern way to travel. Snowmobiles are ubiquitous in the frozen north, and the speed they can get up to is much more to my liking. They're a pretty direct descendant of the dog-drawn sled, and can go almost anywhere. Except I'm told that if they break through the surface of the ice, which happens quite often in the spring, there's a high risk that their speed will carry the rider a long way out under the unbroken ice, often too far to find the hole. These forms of transport are all well and good, but now I'm heading straight for the main attraction. For all their driver aids such as traction control and anti-lock brakes, high-performance cars deserve special care on slippery surfaces. Even sophisticated electronics cannot defeat the laws of physics. Bentley is one of the few makers of sporting cars to offer courses teaching the finer details of car control on the ultimate low-grip track, a frozen lake. These are Bentley Continental models in W12 and V8 flavours, monstrously powerful but also, with four-wheel drive, relatively grippy too. Bentley's Power on Ice instructors and rally drivers first demonstrate how to do those lurid sideways power slides that are the stuff of movie action. As well as the most rapid way to drive when the road is this slippery. It's the way rally drivers get to the finish line first. The experts make it look easy, but it takes some faith and quick reactions to flick a car sideways at speed, then hold it almost perpendicular to the direction of travel, while pouring on the power to keep it sideways. And then it's my turn. I try to forget all I've been told about the ice being just 60 centimetres thick, and these heavy vehicles setting up a bow wave in the water underneath that can actually break the ice.
That's it. We had a moment, but it's good. It's okay.
The slide helps point the car in the best direction to accelerate away down the next straight, taking advantage of the Continental's four-wheel drive at around 600 horsepower.
Braking now and turning as you're braking. A real good idea is focus where you're going to end up and you'll drive yourself towards now, more power now. Good.
This is a compressed version of Bentley's two-day course. It gives not only an understanding, but also, more importantly, the feel of how to use a big car's considerable mass and momentum to travel in the direction in which you want to go. And I even got a few lessons from 4-times World Rally Champion Juha Kankkunen, who makes it look as effortless as a sunny Sunday drive. This is more than just a bit of, hopefully, harmless fun that anyone with 10,000 euros can sign up for. The lessons I've learned in car control should stand me in good stead on any patch of slippery road surface. In other words, these are probably the hottest tips in car control for those hazardous situations when I most desperately need them.